Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Model Magic is probably one of the most versatile and fun art supplies out there, especially for kids. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Crayola Model Magic, exploring its unique properties, and seeing just how creative you can get with this air-dry modeling compound. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just looking for a fun activity, stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about this amazing product. Number 5. Air Dry Clay 66 Colors Modeling Clay Kit. This air dry clay set comes with 66 colors, offering endless possibilities. Kids can mix and match to create their own unique colors, fostering creativity and fine motor skills. The modeling clay is easy to shape, non-sticky, and brightly colored. It's designed to spark children's interest and immerse them in the joy of art. This makes it a great gift for various occasions. With 66 vibrant colors, this clay enhances color recognition. It encourages kids to use their imagination and improves hand-eye coordination. It's a great alternative to electronic devices. The modeling clay is gluten-free and allergen-free. It meets strict safety standards and has certifications. It's recommended for children aged 3 and up, providing peace of mind. Our customer service team is ready to assist you. They are committed to addressing any questions or concerns you may have about the product, ensuring a positive experience. What we like. This air dry clay set comes with a wide array of 66 colors, perfect for sparking creativity. It's also non-sticky and easy to mold, making it ideal for young artists. If you're looking for a gift that encourages artistic exploration and safe play, this is a great choice. What people say. It is easy to mold and shape. It is very lightweight and can be used to make ornaments that will hang on a Christmas tree. It is great for kids to use and create things with. Number 4. Artsity Air Dry Foam Clay, 24 bags. This amazing air dry clay helps kids explore their imagination. It encourages them to put down the electronics and get creative with their hands. Parents can rest easy knowing this clay is safe for their children. It's non-toxic and has no smell, so they can enjoy crafting without worry. Forget the oven. This clay air dries, making it super convenient. Just let it sit for a day or two, and it's ready for painting. This clay is designed for easy use and cleanup. It won't stick to fingers or surfaces, making it a great choice for indoor activities. This versatile clay is great for all sorts of projects. It's a fantastic gift for young artists, encouraging them to explore their creativity. What we like. This white air dry foam clay is incredibly light and easy to shape, perfect for little hands. It doesn't require any baking, just let it air dry. If you are looking for a mess-free and safe crafting experience, this is the perfect option. What people say. The white air dry foam clay is a fun, versatile, and safe crafting material that is perfect for kids ages 3 to 12. It is smooth to the touch, making it easy for young children to mold and shape without frustration. The clay's air-dry formula means no need for baking or cooking, allowing kids to create their masterpieces and let them dry naturally. Number 3. Crayola Model Magic 4 ounces, white, 147281. Introducing the Crayola Model Magic in white. This versatile modeling compound is perfect for all kinds of crafts. It's easy to mold and shape. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and safety of this modeling material. It is a great choice for creative projects. This is ideal for clay crafts. It's great for kids and adults alike. Let your imagination run wild with this amazing product. It is very easy to use. The material is soft and pliable, making it easy to mold into any shape. It's perfect for beginners and experienced crafters. This is perfect for all ages. It's a great way to encourage creativity and imagination. Get ready to create something amazing. What we like. This is a classic Crayola product, known for its ease of use. It's a great choice for simple crafts. If you like a trusted brand and a straightforward crafting experience, you should consider this. What people say. It is very lightweight and easy to mold. It is great for kids because it doesn't dry out quickly if left out. The finished product is durable and can be painted or decorated. Number 2. Crayola Magnetic Tiles 14-piece set, glitter. Crayola products ignite the imagination of children. This magnetic tile set helps those sparks transform into amazing creations. This magnetic playset is perfect for family adventures. It's the ideal travel companion for imaginative play, whether you're traveling by plane, train, or car. Combine different sets, connect doodles to numbers, and add unique characters. It encourages and celebrates the colorful originality in every child. These tile building sets are the beginning of your child's hands-on adventure. They are like a magic wand, ready to unleash creativity. Make learning fun with colors and shapes. Kids will enjoy learning with many options. It's especially designed for little hands, making play easy and interactive. They will love the vibrant colors and play patterns. What we like. These magnetic tiles are designed for on-the-go fun, making them a great travel companion. It encourages creativity and imaginative play. If you have kids who love building and need a fun activity for travel, this is a great choice. What people say. The smaller size is great for traveling. There are so many color variations that all work together to create whatever masterpiece they imagine. They stay together very well, and the magnets have no way to fall out. Number 1. Crayola Model Magic Naturals, 4 packs, 2 pounds, bucket. Introducing Crayola Model Magic Naturals. This is a great modeling material for kids. It comes in a resealable tub, making it easy to store and reuse. Get inspired to create every day with this easy-to-use modeling material. It's perfect for simple arts and crafts projects. This will help kids to explore their creativity. You can save your creations by letting them air dry. Or, reuse it anytime when you store it in an airtight container. It's convenient and versatile. This simple modeling material dries lightweight and is safe and non-toxic. It's the best option for beginner sculptors. It's a great alternative to traditional clay. Crayola offers adaptive art essentials and multisensory toys. It caters to kids and artists with diverse needs. Creativity knows no bounds with this product. Model Magic makes a great soft clay for slime ingredients. It enhances its tactile feel and makes it an exciting component in kids' slime DIY creations. Kids will love it. Stock up on this handy tool for teaching color theory and creating colorful three-dimensional projects. It's a great gift for kids and perfect for classroom use. What we like. This Model Magic set comes in natural colors and is reusable, making it a great value. It's also perfect for classroom use. If you are looking for a versatile and educational crafting material, you should consider this. What people say. Model Magic is very easy to work with. It is great for little hands. It is a great product for kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.